What's going on, YouTubers? PolishPiper Nick here, representing. I'm at vRich3733's house, hanging out. We took a little trip. I brought my pipes over because we're gonna do some maintenance on them, polish some stems up. And he decided to go to the cigar store. I was like, okay. And like the good buddy he is, look what he got me. Look at this. I need a new camera because this can't zoom for crap focus, but all this. Don Pepin Original Te Amo Honduran Blend, Rocky Patel Decade Limited Edition. The new Romeo and Juliet Havoc. Gar, J.R. Opium, I forgot who that was by. San Latano Habano. Reynado, that I had in my humidor for a while, so I thought I'd bring it over. This by Emilio. It's the Welsh Dragon on the cigar band. Can I get a zoom? Patrick the Pipe, shout out to you. Fuck my camera. The Illusion, 888, no, 88, Candela. And the Quesada Kedetat Molotov. Oh, and there's Rich.
Hey, YouTubers. What did you call this? This is a new Romeo. This
Romeo and Juliet Havoc.
It's a Havoc?
It's the Havoc. Romeo Juliet Havoc. But I think it's just the Romeo Havoc.
Romeo.
It's Romeo and Juliet, but that one is the Romeo Havoc.
Oh. I thought it was just Romeo.
And look at his bomb that he treated himself to.
Well, you gotta explain about the Te Amos, because we thought this was the new revolution.
We thought that was the new Te Amo cigar, but that's the Honduran blend, which the tobacconist said it's been out for a long time.
It's made by Terran family, but it's been around a long time. They say it's pretty good. It is handmade, it ain't a machine made. And I got the Feral Pig, Drew Estate.
Oh yeah, that's the Feral Flying Pig. Yeah. Nice.
And number 9 by Liga Bravada by Drew Estate. And
Rocky Patel Decade, limited edition.
Yeah. I forget, somebody gave this to Jason the other day too. Was that Sarge, I think, gave this to Jason. But
La Casita Criolla.
Oh,
yeah,
that's it, that's the one.
Yeah, you waiting for me to say it.
I could never pronounce. And my Uzi weighs a ton. Now this is a funny story with this thing, because I never touched this thing because it was this is a gimmick. My Uzi weighs a ton. Come on. Oh my God, this is a great cigar. This is a great cigar. It's another Drew Estate cigar. Another great cigar. This one I never had.
Yeah, I've never read that one either. It just came out, so I don't know much about it.
With the Welsh Dragon that Nick was talking about. Other than that, we have pretty much the same things here and there. But we got...
Look at that. They carry now Samuel Gawith at our local tobacconist. Squadron Leader, Colin, light your pipe, Skiff Mixture, and 1792 Flake.
So,
booyah!
So we said we're going to try this because of the Dagners. And this because light your pipe, right? Mm-hmm. And then this just because.
Court 3079 got me that.
Plus don't forget my favorite.
Guinness, and I'm having a Blue Moon.
Liquid lunch.
So, let me get this. We're going to start smoking, and then we're going to start working on some pipes.
We're going to polish our stems.
Yeah, we're going to polish our stems. Manly men. Rawr, rawr, rawr. Alright, YouTube, we're going to get going. Peace out. Papaya.
You guys should smoke this Feral Pig.
Oh, camera's crooked. What's going on, YouTube? San Latano Habano. What are you smoking, Rich?
The
same thing? How do you say it?
Habano.
San Latano Habano.
Yeah.
And pretty good. It's a very good stick. And a little later, I brought, yes, the L260 Snuff that I got from ADZ Pipes. And Rich is going to try it for the first time.
Oh boy.
You've never had Snuff.
Never. Never. It will be funny. It will be funny.
He took just a whiff of this. I opened up the can. It's like Vicks Vapor Rub, but so good. So you better be ready for it.
I'm ready.
Because it's a little warm out today. We've got
the air conditioner on.
The air conditioner on outside. And we've still got all these cigars, and I've got my pipes with me that we're gonna fix up.
I ran out of Schweppes though. Schweppes is awesome. Thanks to Nick, my buddy Nick. He didn't forget about me, and he got me something.
Oh yeah, okay, all right. I'm glad that Schweppes was warm. I'll tell you guys about the whole Schweppes story later. Bye. Well, we're in Rich's workshop here, and we're just cleaning up and polishing the stem on my calabash. So we're just trying to get as much crap off of it as we can. And then we're going to apply the real nice stuff. So, yeah. That's what I'm talking about, man. Catch you guys in a little bit.
Regular wax now.
All right, update. We got a bunch of the oxidization off, and we did a pretty damn good job. It being that we didn't sand anything, so we did a bunch of things. Now we put a brand new wheel on, clean, white. Now we're using some wax. What is this right here? Some polish. Carnauba.
It's not Carnauba.
It's not Carnauba? Okay. So
we're using what we got.
Yeah, we're using what we got. So, and it's coming out pretty damn good. This is the final buff right here. It's looking pretty damn good.
The wheel's a little too fast, a little too hard, but I wasn't pressing too hard into it. So.
We're not professionals here. We're working with what we've got, so I hope all you pipe purists don't give a shit. They're gonna be yelling. I know you pipe purists are gonna be yelling at us.
Go too fast. I know.
But it's looking pretty good so far.
Clean the wheel.
Peace for now. Well, YouTubers, we are done. We cleaned up the stem on this calabash. The video really ain't doing it much justice here. It's a little blurry, I guess. Focus. Well, at least you can see the shine. This had a lot of oxidization on it. You can slightly still see some more, but I don't know if that oxidization is under the, deep inside the stem, but it looks hella lot better thanks to that guy right there.
You didn't get no alcohol on it when you cleaned it, did you?
No. So it looks very good.
We didn't sand out the teeth marks. We just really buffed it out.
Yeah.
Just to see what we could do with what we had from White Rouge.
So I know it's not the best because we work with what we could work with.
I think it's
But
pretty
damn, it looks good.
Out from under the cover here.
Yeah, let's get you a better view of this. Oh yeah, look at that. Yeah, before I couldn't see my reflection in here because of all that green shit on it. But I'll be smoking this baby pretty soon. Yeah, I took off the meerschaum top. Got as much gunk off from inside the gourd. How's this look? Hibbly, hibbly, bibbly. Once upon a time.
Oh, Jeeves.
That's my butler, Jeeves. Jeeves, get lost, Jeeves. Get lost. This is my time. This is my time, Jeeves.
Yeah, bloody twit.
You bastard. So, I'm gonna have a cigar now. And then it'll be pipe time.
Snuff time.
Yeah, we still gotta get rich on video taking snuff.
Oh boy.
Oh, hiya. See you in a bit, YouTubers.
See ya.
Alright, Rich is gonna try snuff for the first time.
Okay, just take a little pinch.
Just a little pinch and just the whole thing in your nose. Yeah, in whatever nostril.
No, put my fingers back. I'll use my other fingers. I don't double dip. I don't double dip. Like that? Is that a lot or is that?
That's fine. Just make sure you snort the whole thing.
Brings back the old days. I mean,
How's it feel?
It does open up nice.
Yeah.
Now what if I just go?
You will probably collapse and die right now.
Is it weird not to get like a nicotine?
No, feel free to talk.
It just gives you like a nicotine.
Yeah, it like absorbs, I think, in your bloodstream quicker.
What was that movie? Like, I like it.
Wouldn't that be really good for somebody who's trying to quit smoking?
I don't know, it's not bad. I like it.
No, it's nice.
So how often you do as much as you want?
As much as you want. Look at that. L260
Man.
snuff.
What is?
Hedges.
Good stuff. I like it. First time I ever did it. Man, it really does open you up good.
It sure does.
I thought I was gonna get it in the back of my throat, but it doesn't. It stays.
Nah, you'll just get brown snot. First smoke of the estate calabash. The Orlick.
Cali. The Orcal.
The Orcal.
What are you smoking in it?
I'm smoking Squadron Leader. And what's your housekeeping?
My PSP pipe, my old Paul, and some Squadron Leader.
He's smoking the same thing.
First time I had it. And I like it. Very good. A little moist, but it's burning okay. Taking a snuff.
Oh yeah, you tried the snuff? You liked it.
I liked it. I thought it was gonna burn like hell, but it's good. It's really good. We're just sitting back, relaxing.
That's right. Look at the job Rich did on the stem. Cleaned it up pretty damn good.
Well, show them the other stem that you did.
Oh.
You did a good job too.
No, now I need like a custom like
Holder.
stand for this thing. Now this is the stem I buffed out. It's a Savinelli Goliath. I got this from Satellite Heart Trans. It was dull on this Cumberland stem. Uh-oh, a bee. And we worked at it, used some elbow grease at first, then waited a little bit, hand polished it, hand buffed it, then went to the wheel. And look how good that looks. Nice.
Come on, good. The wheel's a little too fast, but it came up good.
Yeah, I nicked my finger a few times. So, we're gonna get going, finish our pipes, and just chill.
Hi, YouTube.
Peace out, YouTubers. Well, I want to show you guys something. Here's a Cobra CB radio that my good buddy Rich, who's sitting right there, smoking his Paul, he got for me while he was truck driving. All those trucker reward points that he gets, what are they called? Truck driver reward?
Yeah. About fuel and stuff.
Driver reward points he used from fueling up and stuff like that got me a CB radio. Now all I gotta do is get a mount for the antenna to put on my spare tire of my Wrangler and a mount for somewhere inside my Jeep.
Then you can annoy all the truck drivers.
And I'm gonna piss all the truck drivers off. Love is like a fart. If you have to force it, it's probably shit.
Philosophy.
Philosophy. By the Polish Piper. What's going on, YouTubers? The Polish Piper, Nick here. That's what I'm talking about. Oh yeah, baby. Well, I'm gonna go for a ride in my Harley. Peace out. Oh yeah. How's the ride? You ride like a champ.
Good. Put that big bore kit in there.
Nothing like riding the Harley and having some Stonehaven in your pipe. That's badass. And repping Stash Warden apparel. Well, thank you, Rich, for trusting me with your Harley. It's a badass fucking German helmet. German style. Alright, I'm gonna go look at my other motorcycles. Colin, this is for you, buddy. Look at this beast. Oh, God. That's what I'm talking about, man. Oh Holy crap.
2001 Victory. Before the old style hammer motors. Before they went to the new motors. It's a nice bike. Rides really smooth. It's the only other American made motorcycle.
Well, Colin, I hope you like my Harley and my Victory. Yeah, bullshit. Nah. Rich has got some nice bikes.
A little dusty, was sitting in the garage. Been on the road too long. So what do you think, Nick? I got 2 bikes. You just need to get yourself a license and we'll go. Oh, that's right. I mean, you just came back on my bike. Oh, yeah, that's right. I forgot. I'm sorry.
Damn it. Oh, look. Now I'm really Colin.
That's my fishing hat.
Hey, YouTubers. Like your pipe here. Colin. You want to look at Colin, everybody? That's your pipe? Yeah, buddy. You get on your trike, Colin. I'll get on my Victory or my Harley. Vroom, vroom.
We are door.
The R-door hanging out my mouth.
Need a BMW for the R door.
Oh, yeah. Nice. Good stuff. Just stick me in his bag.
86 FXR. Big bore kit in it. The S&S Super E on there with the biggest jets before I got to go up to the step up carbs, which I might have to do. I'm still screwing with it. But she rips, boy. This bike rides, man. She hauls ass. Unfortunately, I don't ride it enough because of my job. Yeah, here we go.
Talking about as it's choking me. Right. I'm ready. I am ready.
Hey, gotta put that sticker on the back there. I'm a little suck. We're in New Jersey. They regulate everything in New Jersey. Well, that's a tour of my unused toys. There's another unused toy over there that I don't use because of my job. Nick knows. I haven't seen Nick in weeks because I've been on the road.
Well, I'm about to go, YouTube. Finish smoking some more pipes. Hiya.
Bye, YouTube. Woo! See ya.